Hi everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, I'm just gonna do a little quick makeup tutorial without putting it on. I already put my makeup on. I'm here in my church because Mass is at 7:30, and with Holy Day of Obligation, especially this week, Holy Week, Mass is like Holy Thursday, and then Good Friday's tomorrow night, and then Easter Sunday. All the masses will be really crowded. I came maybe 10-15 minutes after 6 o'clock to get some, or not, like around 6:30 to get parking. So now people are coming over right now. With that being said, I'm going to show you what I'm wearing right now to look decent. And I'm wearing this MAC Studio Fix 24-hour smooth wear concealer on the spot like redness or blemishes. I have this Milk Makeup, this lip and cheek tint called Work. So I put it on my eyes, I put my cheeks and my lips. It's my lipstick. And then I have two mascaras. The one is the MAC Shampooing Lash Dry Shampoo Mascara. And then the Maybelline, it's right in here somewhere. Curl Bounce Mascara. And that's about it. I better get inside the church, warm up, get my folder ready. Can tell me next video whenever that is. Peace out. Bye.